Okay, welcome back to part two. I realized that the screencast will not allow the computer audio to be played. So where was I? Okay, so you might say the world was turned upside down. I'm going to play it from my tablet here so you can hear it. Ready?
The Battle of Yorktown, 1781.
Monsieur Hamilton,
Monsieur Lafayette,
in command where you belong.
are you saying no sweat? We're finally on the field. We've had quite a run.
Immigrants, we get the job done.
So what happens if we win?
I go back to France. I bring
France,
freedom to
eh?
my people if I'm given the chance.
We'll be with you when you do.
Go, lead your man.
See you on the other side.
Till we meet again.
Skip ahead a little.
I am not thrown away my shot. Hey, yo, I'm just like my country. I'm young, scrappy, and hungry, and I'm not thrown away my shot. I am not.
See, that's what happens when you walk. That it's over. We take.
We escort their men out of Yorktown. They stagger home single file. Tens of thousands of people flood the streets. There are screams, church bells ringing. And as our fallen foes retreat, I hear the drinking song they're singing.
Okay, so as you can see in that song, there's a legend that says that the British actually were singing that song, not Yorktown, but singing "The World Turned Upside Down," which was an old British ballad during Yorktown when they had realized that the Americans had pulled off the unthinkable and had won the war. But so talking about impact, the other impact is that the whole world kind of watched, like, will this experiment work? I mean, these Enlightenment thinkers that we've been talking about, they kind of were just talking and writing about all these, new ideas of freedom of speech and freedom of assembly and freedom of religion and checks and balances and a government run by the people, social contracts, all that stuff. These were just ideas by people like Locke and Voltaire and Rousseau and Montesquieu and Wollstonecraft. But these ideas were really never put into practice until the United States of America. And again, I don't mean to overstate the importance of America, but in this case, I think it is important. And the world would kind of watch to see this is the first democracy that the world had really seen in some ways, since ancient Greece. I mean, there were some Italian city-states that practiced democracy, but they were really kind of small. This was a big nation now trying to practice democracy, and it had its challenges. And I think that's demonstrated pretty nicely in the song, one of the songs from Hamilton by King George. Shortly after, I think it actually might come right after Yorktown. So let me play it for you guys.
They say, price of my war's not a price that they're willing.
This is high tech, I know.
Insane. You cheat with the French, now I'm fighting with France and with Spain. I'm so blue. I thought that we made an arrangement when you went away. You were mine to subdue. Well, even despite our estrangement, I've got a small query for you. What comes next? You've been freed. Do you know how hard it is to lead? You're on your own. Awesome! Wow! Do you have a clue what happens now? Oceans rise, empires fall. It's much harder when it's all your call, all alone. Don't come crawling back to me. Da 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 da. Da 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 yada. Da 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 yada. You're on your own.
Okay, so again, my high-tech version of this. So, you know, again, what does this have to do with world history? What does this have to do with the French Revolution? Well, it has a lot to do with it. This was a major cause of the French Revolution. This was, like I said, the impact of America getting its independence was kind of felt throughout the world. And just a few years later, you had France, you know, following in our footsteps in a way, but we'll learn that it was very, very different kind of revolution. And you'll learn that in the next video that you're going to watch. So thanks for watching my kind of somewhat failed attempt to do this. I'll leave you with my cat who's sleeping on the recliner. He's just very cute, Jesse. I don't want to wake him. How cute is that cat? It's okay.